and welcome. I want to record this video to show you a few things about the Skin Fairy plugin. Let's use this image as example. The first thing you need to do is set the detail level. In this case, I will use the level 3. I want to preserve all the details and I want a natural aspect of the image, so I think level 3 will be good enough. After selecting the detail, all you need to do is press the Skin Fairy button and you will jump straight to Camera Raw. In here, all you need to do is press this exclamation button and Camera Raw will create for you the different masks, or well, this will use it for create masks. And now all you need to do is press OK. When you press OK, the program will jump to Photoshop and now all the process will start and will be automatically. All you need to do at this point is wait. Depending on your computer, this can take 10, 20, 30 seconds. I don't know. I'm recording the screen, so it can take a little more. We are good. And as you can see, we can preserve all the layers, so you can keep working, adjusting or tweaking everything if you want. For us, this is really important. We want to have everything inside Photoshop and we want you can have all the layers available so you can keep working. In this case, I would like to decrease a little more the effect in the face. So for this, I will use the sliders. As you can see in the sliders, you have for one side the face effect and for the other side the body effect. So you can work with different intensities. It's not the same than just applying over this entire group the opacity sliders. Because if we reduce the opacity, we will reduce the opacity in all the group, and maybe we want to have more intensity in the face and less intensity in the other parts of the body. So for these cases, the best call is use the sliders in the plugin panel. So for example, if we want to go really low in the body, we can set it to 1 or even in 0 and it will be like no effect at all. Of course, you can use the sliders individually in each different layer or group, or even you can use it in your own layers. For example, if we create a curve or any adjustment layer and we want to, for example, apply this in the face, we can just select apply. It will create a mask. This mask will select the face and the body. If we select 0 at the body, we will affect only the face. And if we want to protect the inner edges, like for example, the eye lines or the nostril or the lips, we can click on the protect inner edge button. Let me click again the button. If you click multiple times, the effect will be we will increase the darkening in the layer mask. As you can see now, clicking twice, it's like really strong. If we click it only once, let me show you again. This is with no protect inner edges. This is with one click, and if we keep clicking, the dark edges will be more black or darker. Okay, so let's go with something like this, for example, for this. And also we did include some presets, some color preset. We made a document so you can learn how to create your own presets. In this case, we included presets and actions You can use these actions for create your own presets. Our idea is you can customize it and use it to match your own style. But well, we included a few for example. So, for example, I will apply pure white. I will reduce a little the opacity, and I will increase the contrast, and I will only increase contrast, in this case, in the face, just to show you how it works. And so for this, I will use the face effect intensity. I will set this to 4 because I want to affect at this point the face at, well, let's go a little more with 5 so you can see better or easier the difference. This is with the layer on, and this is with the layer off. And well, let me group everything so you can see a quick before and after. Okay, this is, for now, this is all. If you want to, I create more videos showing you the different things or different parts of this plugin. We can create this content. There is no problem. I made an update a few months or weeks ago. We didn't test it yet. We want to test it in deep. So I don't know. I cannot tell you a date, but we want to release an update. It will be for free. Don't worry. The only big difference between the original version and the new version is I added one extra button so you can flat everything and save as without the save a copy thing. Even this will be faster than going to save as because it will be flat everything and delete everything. So you will end up with only what you see in the screen. Of course, after you save, you can go back and preserve all the layers. If you want to save the PSD file with all the layers, you can do it. But if you want a TIFF, for example, with no extra layers or whatever, you can do it pretty fast. One more thing, for me, this is really useful. The quick save JPEG button will save with one click one JPEG in full resolution with sRGB color embed. So all you need to do is just click one time this button and we'll save like behind the scenes a JPEG. And this JPEG will be what you have in your screen in this moment, like this image. It's fast, it's in full resolution, so you can send that file to print. Okay, I think this is all for now. If you want to, I create more videos showing you different things about the Skin Fairy panel. We can do it. Let me know, just let me know what you want to I tell you about this plugin, because I don't know. So just tell me, let me know, and have a great weekend. And see you later. Bye bye.